Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to today's recap. Today's April 7th, Tuesday. Um, yeah, I got fucking cooked today, so I was leaning more, more bearish, to be honest. Daily is still bullish, but I've got this SMT, this high time frame SMT right here. We had, before market even opened, we had this inverse. Um, yeah, New York pulled back into it, pulled back into OTE of that fair value gap. Then we had pretty good displacement down. Um, yeah, did want to take a shot here with like low size, because it was pretty early into open still. So I just had my limit order right there. Stop would have been 15 points. Yeah, would have been a decent trade, but wasn't really too bothered about that. Then we came all the way down here, edging these previous day lows right here. Then we edged it, um, came back up into premium. Yeah, tapped the 0.708. Oh, actually, no, that was the move after. I'm tripping. Yeah, we tapped premium though, 0.618 as well. Um, yeah, I had a limit order on the 10 a.m. open, which was like a very, very good trade. I would definitely take this genuinely every day of the week. Um, had this, my stop was, I don't even exactly remember. I think it was about 15 points. Actually, might have been a bit less. I think it was like 12 or something. I like my stop loss got edged. So then, yeah, went back down to around here. This was my break even point. Went break even. Inverse this 1 minute. Yeah, it edged my break even. Went back down. We got this inverse right here. So then I was feeling a bit confident again. Yeah, then it just TP through my stop loss. Like this whole candle was like almost got printed in like a second. It busted through my stop loss on um two accounts, which were like this is just an EVA. This is like I multiplied it with by like 3x, so it just goes three minis. So I don't really care about that. My my copy account got break even, and my trade seat got break even. The other ones got cooked. They went into like almost 400 more drawdown than I initiated or that I wanted to. Which I didn't actually realize till later. Um, then yeah, look for a re-entry right here. Definitely wasn't the best trade. Um, Considering it hasn't even swept like the lows and shit, and my bias was also bearish till it swept the lows, so that was a very, very bad trade. Yeah, lost a bit on that. Lost a bit too much on that, to be honest. I lost like 250, 300 around that. Um, yeah, I'll show you again. This is what the accounts are looking like right now. Um, this is the one I just took a payout on, minus 330, it's whatever. And like, it's just pretty fucking annoying about these two. Like this, no, this one, I just needed like one more decent day. I could have requested a payout. But yeah, it is what it is. Also, like my consistency on that account is kind of cooked, so it's gonna take a few more days for that payout. But yeah, that's about it. I'll probably blend in the video of the shit teeping through my stop loss so you guys know what I'm on about. But yeah, bad day, but we'll go again. See you guys in a bit.